export information from your contracts module. To do this, you will need to go to your Zway platform. From here, click on the Contracts application from your main dashboard. You will now see a full list of all your contracts. Once here, click on the gate symbol in the top left. This opens up a longer list of all the items stored in your Contracts Manager if you select all of the checkboxes within the list. You can now save and close this form and see the full list. Then go to the top right and click Export. There are multiple different options for which you can export in. Export the spreadsheet and the task is complete.